Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Discover credit card account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Discover credit card account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address discover.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Discover Bank like this. Now you can see guys, on this section we have a login panel over here as well as over here in order to log into our account, and over here you can see there's a drop down arrow. Make sure the credit card is chosen over here for you to log into your credit card account of a Discover Bank, and with that being selected, enter the user ID of your account of your Discover Bank account and have that enter your password, whichever may it be. But guys, if you've forgotten your user ID or your password, you can always click on the forgot user ID/password to go to our procedure to either retrieve your user ID or password depending upon which one you lost. And with that being said guys, after entering your user ID and your password, click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your Discover credit card account from over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to log into your Discover credit card account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.